whenever it gets cold, it always wants to ice up on me. You know what I mean? I don't know. That really sucks because that means it's not going to work for very much longer. I thought maybe I would share that with you. Yep. I can sit out here and I can sit out here and scratch it all day long. Yeah. Yeah, like that. See that? Yeah. But anyway, I thought I'd share that with you guys. Have a great day. And usually what you do is put cold water on it. But the weather's so cold here, it only works during certain times of the day. And the rest of the time you have to build a fire or you have to have heaters or something. And so it's just the way life is. Anyway, I need to get a new one that goes down to 0. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Hopefully you guys like this video. Don't forget to put thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you guys later. Yeah, I'm bored right now. Nothing to do. What do you do? Yeah. Okay, so anyway. Good you guys can see me again. Right? Alright, we'll talk to you guys later. Bye for now.